here's how you create an email in DesignDiverso Automata. You pretty much head over to Channels, Emails. You want to create a new one. So here you have a first choice to make, and pretty much usually if you want to associate with a segment or list, email list, if you have one, then you want to opt for a new segment email. Else, you can also create a new template email, which can be pretty much tied to a campaign that we can see later on. For our sample, we can pick the segment email, and here you have different options for kind of layout. You want to get started with your email. As you can see, there is a blank mode where you have pretty much a blank canvas, blank layout, where you want to add different elements and start from scratch. But for our sample, we just want to pick a ready-made layout that we have here in DesignDiverso Automata, and name it test. Right, we have already created a sample segment for just the sample we want to create. So we'll make sure that this other settings are the way they are, and especially here the email is going to be published once we are done creating the layout. So what to do from here? Pretty much get into the builder, to our builder. There you go. And this is what you see, what you get. Type editor, unless you're already familiar with, is pretty handy to pretty much add and drag and drop all kinds of elements within the layout. So here we have plenty of options that we can use to create, to edit, modify, change this layout the way we want. Right now, we're just gonna, for example, stick with text, where we want to just modify, change this text here. All you do is hit close once you're done and save. Right? And so our test email, there it is, should be ready. And if we go into, again, our test email, right, we're going to find the preview link that is being generated by DesignDiverso Automata. If we open it up, we can see our change right here. So, and this is pretty much how you create your first email in the email builder with DesignDiverso Automata. Up next, once you have created your email, and you have your segment attached to it, then probably you want to send it out. So how you do that is you head over again to the emails list within the channels in emails, and you hit the drop down. So from here, you send, and well, in this example, we just have 2 contexts, but obviously you'll have probably a bit more. So according to how many contexts you have, you can edit and change this number to whatever is 1,000, is 10,000, whatever number of contexts you have, and then the next thing you do is hit send, and this will send out pretty much our emails to our list, to our segment list. So this is how you create your first email within the builder in DesignDiverso Automata.